Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bolt app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will click on Bolt app and you will enter. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.